into these little trenches.
I laid mine down.
Yeah, just kind of line them up with each other.
What are you planting today, gardeners Vaughn and Andy?
Red potatoes.
Vaughn, are you having fun planting potatoes? Yeah. Is this a potato?
Yeah, it doesn't need the potato at the end. I think it'll still grow.
But why?
We'll find out.
Hmm?
I've never done it this way before.
Yeah.
Usually it just has little tiny sprouts on it.
Andy, can I have a potato?
Okay, so last year we grew potatoes and we ended up with about 5 pounds of small potatoes. We decided to save as seed and we kept them in a bag in the dark, and they started to grow these long tendril things. They're like 2 feet long. And so that's how we're planting them this year. We just dug 2 trenches per bed and laid them all down in the trenches. Now we're gonna cover them up and see how it goes.
Do you remember when we were out in the gardens and this baby deer came up and talked to us?
That'll be fun.
It was funny.
How many animals did
We saw the baby deer that day.
Potatoes look ready to be hilled.
How it's supposed to feel.